Okay. Inside chapter 2 jQuery functions folder, I have here a file 1-add class.html, and inside this file I have here HTML boilerplate code. Inside head I have here title jQuery add class function. Here I have a blank style tag where I'm going to define a CSS class just in a minute. And here inside this script tag I'm simply loading my jQuery library, and inside this second script tag I'm simply saying that when document is fully loaded inside browser, execute this callback function. So now what I want to do in this lecture is I want to have here a paragraph. I'm going to have here a paragraph, having a text as paragraph, and then I'm going to have here a button as well inside the body. So input type is submit, the value will be add class. Now what do I want this time is if somebody is clicking on this button having ID as btn, then if somebody is clicking on this button, then this paragraph will be selected and a predefined CSS class will be assigned to this paragraph. So I'm going to define that predefined class right here. The name of class I will choose here is red class, sorry guys, and this red class will have two CSS properties. First one is color, and the value of color CSS property will be red. Second CSS property will be font style, and the value of this font style CSS property will be italic. So once this button is clicked, this red class will be assigned to this paragraph, and then the color of this paragraph will be turned into red, and the font style will be turned into italic. So let's go ahead inside this document.ready function and select the button inside body by ID. So I'm selecting this button by ID, jQuery selector. Look, this button has btn ID. I'm selecting here has btn, and then I'm going to assign this button a click event handler function. Inside this click event handler function, I have to select this paragraph and assign this red class to the paragraph. So let's select here the paragraph by tag and call a predefined CSS, predefined jQuery function add class, and pass as parameter the name of the class want to assign to this paragraph. So here is the code. That's it. Now when somebody is clicking on this button, this paragraph is going to get selected inside this button's called event handler function, and then add class jQuery method will simply assign this red class to this paragraph. Once the class is assigned to this paragraph, the font color and font style of the paragraph will be changed as red and italic respectively. So let's go ahead and check this out. Here we are. If I click at this add class, look, the font color of this paragraph has been changed to red and font style has been changed to italic.